Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like Addict No Rehab, because I'm addicted to giving you guys this advice. So, I'm going to just clean up this little Hyundai, just the outside. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like, and I'm going to just use 3 products and just see how it comes out. So, this is a learning process, you know. It's something, you know, I bought this from Walmart Instant Detailer. Then I bought this. Man, some hubcaps. You hating? Oh, you hating? About to see how these hubcaps transform the car, man. Let's go out here and look at it. See what 3 products can do to transform a car. So y'all see how it looks right now. It's there. I'm gonna hang that bumper up. I got the screw out. I'll hang that up here in a second. That ain't nothing but a screw. But y'all see, like, it's dirty and stuff like that. We ain't gonna even clean. We ain't gonna even wash none of the dirt off of there. We just gonna see what this stuff can do. Y'all see. Y'all see how it looks right now. So we ain't about to clean none of this dirt off. We about to just spray and wipe it down and see how it comes out. So let's get to spraying. I'm gonna just spray it directly on the car. It's probably not even how you're supposed to use it. Let's see if that's how you're supposed to use it. Spray instant directly. I guess it is. You're supposed to do spray it directly on the car. Let's see. Instant detailer, what you gonna do for us? Okay, let's finish wiping this down. Let's see what we gonna see how it kind of turns out. Y'all see it? Just a little spray from Instant Detailer. Look at that. Can't help to fade the spots on it, but makes it look good. So let's finish spraying this down. Y'all see? I guess Instant Detail trying to work its magic, but y'all see like my ash. Y'all see. We're gonna hit it with the rest of the Instant Detailer. Y'all see the hood and stuff. And let's just see how good we can transform a car just by using 3 products. So we got the Mother's California Gold Instant Detailer, unmatched speed and gloss. It's finished. Okay, look at that. Instant gloss trying to work his magic. I mean, you can't do nothing about the beat up spots. Okay, instant gloss. You know. Instant Detailer, I see you. So y'all see rag all dirty. You know, just spray this with a rag. So now we're gonna put these hubcaps on. Y'all see? Y'all see the hubcaps on there right now. So we're about to change them. Those original Hyundai. Put these bad boys on there. Then we're gonna walk around it again. Alright, now look at it. How she look now? Got the hubcaps on there. Y'all see the tires are still dirty. So we got one last product that we're gonna show y'all. It's right here. One last, y'all see. Can't nothing help the paint faded. But you know, y'all see, good, all cleaned up. So we only use 3 products, so let's put this tire wet on there and see what it does next. Let's say you just supposed to spray it on there and just let it dissolve. So yeah, I can already see how the tires are getting all nice and good looking. I'll see if it dissolved on the other side first. So this is the side I started with. Look at that. Tires looking all wet and shiny and glossy. You take the picture from that angle right there, you're like, man, that looks, but you finish letting that draw though. But you take it from like that angle, let that finish dissolving off of there. See, then you get it from another angle like that, like get it right there. You like, dang. After that stuff dries off though, so it'll look, the wheel will look all shinier and stuff like that. So you can see it though. I don't know if y'all really can see it, but y'all can see like the difference, like how it looked, but now like it's all wet up. And you see, like, you can see like the dirt. You just spray it on there, you can just see the dirt just dripping off of there. As y'all can see that. It's pretty good. The dirt just drips right off. It's pretty cool. Pretty cute. So once again, y'all see it. Now it's ready for sale, you know. Right there, that's how it looks right there. That's the best view that you probably gonna get of the car. But yeah, you can see though, that stuff works. You can see, let me show y'all again. Y'all can see like sprayed on, y'all can just see like the dirt just running off of there. Y'all can see the dirt just going all the way down, just spraying. The dirt's going down. So then y'all get, when you take a picture, you'll get another angle right there. Man, but me, I'm gonna take a picture of all the spots though. I'm like me, I'll take a picture of this right there. I'll take a picture of that. Let them know that the car is faded. You know, the paint is faded, so they don't come in there and be like, oh, I couldn't tell the paint was faded. But we walk around one last time, and there y'all go. That's the final touch. Your tires is wet, man. Somebody gonna get them a nice little car. But y'all let me know how did it come together. You know, it was all dusty and dirty, and now it's all got a little gloss. I wish the sun was out, but it don't look like the sun's coming out today. It's a little gloomy. But man, using three products, just wanted to see how it was gonna come out. You know, I bought those 3 products, just wanted to see. Like I usually take, you know, I usually drop it off at the detail shop, but I wasn't about to waste, you know, $100 getting this car detailed and stuff like that. It wasn't like clean on the outside. I'm not gonna sell it for a ton amount of money, so I just tried to clean it up on the outside as good as I can. I already vacuumed the inside. The inside wasn't bad, but y'all see it. We're gonna look, y'all. Y'all see them tires looking wet, dripping. Tire looking wet. Can't fix it. You can't do nothing with the faded paint, but looks good. Looks better. But appreciate y'all guys for tuning in, and just let me know what y'all. For me, the best of the products is the wet and black tire foam. Easy way to clean and shine. This right here, like $2.50 at Walmart. I think this was the best product out of them all. The instant detailer, it was like $6. So I spent about $8. I already had some microfiber towels. So I spent $8 and then another $30 on some hubcaps. So what, about $38? I don't know how much those hubcaps cost. I think like $35, something like that. We're gonna just say $38 total is what I spent. So try to transform the car with $38, you know. I think it came out fairly decent, you know. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and if you haven't already, you know, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.